Welcome guys, this is the continuation of the previous video. Please see that videos if you do not see that. My videos links in the description box. Here, the list of students from the server entity. Now, we are going to do filter and sorting using this list data. Let's see how to do this. I will add two input fields for the filter list by name and age. Then we need to create a local variable to get the value from the field for the filter. Double-click on the data source and it's redirect to an aggregate view. Here, we will see options for filter and sorting. Here we can add multiple data sources for filter or sorting. We will see the detailed demo with multiple sources or entities in another video. Let's go to the Filter tab and assign the local variable in the name and age column like this. Instead of equal operator, I will use like operator for a filter with a similar character for the name. Let's create a field change event to reflect a filtered data. I will add on change events for name and age fields. While changing the input field, we need to reload the data source. Filter feature working fine as expected. Then, we will implement the sort feature based on the student name. I will add a checkbox element to sort the list is ascending or descending. Then, I will create onChange event for the checkbox and add sort by client action from predefined OutSystem action. Then, assign the list source, sort by column, and checkbox local variable. Before starting the sorting testing, I will clear the filter event. Sorting by name is working fine as expected. Please subscribe and like this video for this video.